Welcome back to the workshop. We want to continue taking a look at connectives. And for this video, we want to consider the connective conjunction. All right. So the conjunction of two statements is formed by joining the statements with the word and it's true exactly when both P and Q are true. All right, so if we wanted to, we can take a look at the truth table here. And that might be a nice place to start. So if I have two statements, P and Q, the first thing that I want to do is consider all possible combinations of truth values of P and Q, because these are the basic building blocks of my statement that I'm going to make. So P and Q are two individual smaller statements, and P, of course, could be true, and Q could be true as well. But then I could still have P true and have Q be false, or I could have P be false and Q be true, or P be false and Q be false. So if I wanted to, right, all I really need to do is repeat true for all possible combinations of true and false for Q. So two possible values there, true and false. So true twice, true false, false twice, true false. Okay. All right. So moving on from there, we can then consider the truth value of P and Q, which is true only when both P and Q are true. So P is true, Q is true, so P and Q are true. P is true, but Q is false. So are both of them true? No, which means that the conjunction is false. All right, so here one of them is false, so the conjunction is false. Here, at least one of them is false, so the conjunction is false, because it's only true when both of them are true. So this is what we're looking for here. All right. This is the truth value, the idea of the truth values for conjunction. And what does it look like for us to go ahead and actually write out the conjunction of two statements? Well, in this case, if I wanted to talk about the conjunction P and Q, P itself is 5 plus 3 is equal to 15. We could note here that, of course, this is false, right? 5 plus 3 is 8. What about our next statement? April 24th, 2020 is a Friday. It was, that time has passed, but it was. So this is actually true. And some cows are brown. Yes, some cows are brown. Cool. So what does it look like to connect these with conjunction? I simply restate the statements with the word and between them. So P is that 5 plus 3 is equal to 15. And Q is that April 24th, 2020 is a Friday. Excellent. Not too difficult. Now the question is this true or false? Well, 5 plus 3 is equal to 15. That's false. So overall, the conjunction will be false. So since in this case, P is false, the conjunction is false. All right. So what about Q and R? Well, Q is that April 24th, 2020 is a Friday. And that's the connective we're working with here. Conjunction combines two statements with the word and. So April 24th, 2020 is a Friday. And R is that some cows are brown. Okay. Well, is April 24th, 2020 a Friday? Yes. Is or are some cows brown? Yes. Both are true. My apologies for the brief interruption there. You may not have noticed it, although I suppose you're back with me here face to face. So let me share my screen again with you. Take a look at screen one. Here we are. All right, so we have R and Q. These are the same two statements that we were just looking at, but it's in the opposite order. So in this case, if we wanted to write it out, it would be that some cows are brown, and because this is still conjunction, and April 24th, 2020 is a Friday. Yeah, yes, it was. So still, both of those things are true, right? It doesn't matter what order I said them in, they're both still true. So both P, or again, R and Q are true. So the conjunction is true. So what we want to notice here is that conjunction is commutative. It doesn't matter what order you write the conjunction in, it's all set, right? They're going to be the same thing. Okay. Excellent. So that's conjunction. We combine the two, and the conjunction is true when both of them are true. Excellent. That's all that I wanted to share for this video. So I'll see you guys back in the workshop very shortly.